When I have to go to the dentist, I'm upset. When Liverpool beats Arsenal, I'm upset. But when some little shit decides to take over one of the most profitable territories in the country, I'm beyond fucking upset. I'm very fucking upset. So, from now on, you're under new management.
Oh yeah, I got the interview he just did with Mr. Browett that I did a couple weeks ago. Check the playlist.
Yes, allowance. As in, I'm allowing you to keep 10%, and I'm allowing you to keep drawing breath on this earth. Now, you either get down or you lay down. What's it gonna be, sunshine?
This wasn't no movie. The smart thing was to say yes, get up, and leave the room. But then I thought to myself, what if this was a movie? Look, fuck you, fuck the plane you flew in on, fuck them shoes, fuck your socks with the bell on it, fuck your gay-ass fairy faggot accent, fuck them cheap-ass cigars, fuck your yuck-mouth teeth, fuck your hairpiece, fuck your chocolate, fuck Guy Ritchie, fuck Prince William, fuck the Queen. This is America. My president is black and my Lambo is blue, nigga. Now get the fuck out of my hotel room. And if I see you in the street, I'm slapping the shit out of you.
I think this one spent too much time in the cinema. Teach this cheeky bastard a lesson. Nobody fucking move!
Oh man, this is bad.
What is this? A casting call for the Sopranos reunion? Do me a favour. Tell room service nobody here ordered the extra large whop with a side order of whops. Whoa!
Hit pause on that because y'all already know it's time to go into the garden part of the video because you know we like 45 minutes deep in it. Shout out to being so deep in the video you forget to show the plants, but you know how we do. I got them behind me. Look, the tent open. Yeah, we got Rick and Morty over there. Then you know you got my wall art. Yeah, but y'all want to see the ladies. Because you know you always ask me how the ladies doing. There they go. We gonna bring them into the video. Here's flower tent number 2 because this is flower tent, but these are autos, so you know it don't matter how much light you give them, they just gonna do what the fuck they do anyway. So might as well put them on in here. That way I can keep a better eye on them because they right behind me. And then when I'm at home on the weekends, they right behind me. You dig? They doing their thing though. Yeah, they doing their thing. Change out their water this week though. That might be later on today. Might not be in this video, but I might make a video. So shouts out to that. Then of course y'all already know we got the green room cracking over here. Yeah, Precious, get your ass out the way. Don't get stepped on. Hell, laying in the middle of the tracks. When the train coming. Chicka 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 chicka. Chicka chicka chicka. Green room. Hey, that boy got some skills when he come with the motherfucking display effects. Shout out to display effects because you know we in the green room now. Hopefully y'all appreciate it. I know y'all like to see the plants. There go those 3 that I had started recently. Those were also from seeds because everything's been from seed. Because, you know, we got seeds, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the son of Odin Seed Company. We got seeds, but, you know, those are those better OGs that my homeboy had grew also. You know, we got shit because we got a variety of things. Ready to repot those individually so I can see how many I actually got because you know coming up I'm out doing consultations. Those are for sale, you dig? And they're gonna be like, oh, they're already started. Yeah, already ready to go. You know, you gotta do is water them once a week. And that's about all they like because they like to grow kind of vigorously. You can see that when you get kind of bees over here. And then of course we got a pineapple in the back. I don't know if it's gonna make it or not. I'm gonna clean it up later on, see what it do, see what it look like. You know, we got to get that garden thing on point in my green room because you know I've been doing some stuff too.